Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to change your Facebook username in 2025 using the mobile application. This is the name that appears in your profile link like the facebook.com/your username. So make sure that you stick around till the end so that you don't miss the username rules and save button. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Facebook mobile application and then log in into your account. Once done, tap on this profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you can either tap on the settings and privacy in the bottom and then go to settings, or what you can do is you can simply tap on this gear icon here in the top and you will be landed here in the settings of your Facebook account. So here you will see the Meta Business Suite or the Meta Account Center option. So you need to simply tap on this option and here you will be landed on this page. Now once you are here on this page, simply scroll down and tap on the accounts option. In the accounts, you can add any of the accounts that you want, or what you can do is you can simply come back and here you can use the search bar and search for the option of username. So as we have username option, simply tap on it and it is going to take some time and redirect you here on this edit username page. Now it will show you your current username in the bottom and it is going to basically ask you to choose your new username. So here you need to type your new username, and once you are done, whether it is available or not, it is going to basically show it to you. If it is available, you need to simply tap on this done option here in the bottom and you are done changing your username. Now the thing that you need to remember here, once you change the username, you won't be able to change it for the next 60 days and it can't include the symbols or any kind of special characters. So make sure that you select your new username carefully, because as I said earlier, you won't be able to change it for the next 60 days. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.